Hey there, it's Lena. Today we are going to look into recursion in Java. Click the like button below if you like us. So recursion, okay, a method that calls itself is known as recursive method. So what is all this about? First things first, we are going to come up with a class and we're going to call it managers. Open curly bracket. And I'm going to have a method called static int managers. So basically it's a method, so I'm going to put in integer n, open curly bracket, and the managers is called from the main method, and we are going to do that in a while, whereby let's say I have a main method here, public while static string arguments, open curly bracket. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to declare number, int number 4. I'm going to give a value. So and I'm going to declare it here, result equals managers number. So I'm basically calling the managers method from the main by declaring it as result. So what happens here is I'm going to come up with a termination condition. If n is not equals 0, return n times managers n minus 1. So basically I'm using a factorial base idea. Okay, so recursive call basically takes place here, recursive call. Okay, else return 1. Let me close it. So in my public static void here, okay, result equals managers number. So what happens is I'm going to print it out, system.out.println, and then I'm going to call number plus managers plus result. So with the number variable passed as an argument, so this is passed, the number is passed as an argument. If you can notice the statement, return n managers n minus 1. Okay, this managers method is calling itself. Initially the value of n is 4. Okay, as we have called itself and we are declaring it here as number, here n, so initially is 4 inside the manager's method. The process continues till n is equal to 0. When n is equal to 0, when n is equals to 0, the if statement returns false and 1 is returned. The accumulated result is passed to the main method. So whatever happens here will end of the day be sent to the main body. So how does it work? So end of the day, the answer will be number, which is 4, manages 24. So how is that possible? So if we have a calculation here, I would say, and it says n times n minus 1, so 4. So the first one is 4 times n minus 1, 3. And then it goes, oh sorry, and then it goes back again. And then I say 4, which is the initial value, times n minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. So it's 2. And then we have 4 again, times 2 minus 1. So I get 1. And then I get 4 times 1 minus 1, 0. So what happens here is whereby I calculate to the total, which is 24. So this total will sum up and end up with the main body. And your final answer will be this. So if you change this to other numberings, it will also give the same type of result with a different total. So once it becomes 0, it returns 1. That's it. So this is where we stop today. If you have any questions or you would love us to come up with topics or titles or methods or functions that you are not so sure of and you will need some tutorials on how to videos, you can request for us below there at our comment section. And do not forget to subscribe us, like us, and press the bell as you can receive all our updated videos all the time. So bye for now. See you.